Welcome the students in science class. Class 10, Unit 8, Chemical Reaction. Topics: Chemical reaction, types of chemical reaction, combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, acid-base reaction, factors affecting chemical reaction, exothermic and endothermic reaction. Chemical reaction. The process of forming products from the reactants is called chemical reaction. A plus B gives C plus D. Reactants. The chemical compounds which take part in chemical reaction is called reactants. Example: A and B. Products. The chemical compounds formed after chemical reaction is called products. Example: C and D. Types of chemical reaction: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, acid-base reaction. Combination reaction. When two or more reactants combine to form a product is called combination reaction. Examples: word equation. Hydrogen plus oxygen gives water. Chemical equation: S2 plus O2 gives H2O. Balance chemical equation: 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Word equation: nitrogen plus hydrogen gives ammonia. Chemical equation: N2 plus S2 gives NH3. Balance chemical equation: N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. Decomposition reaction. The reaction in which reactants decomposed into two or more than two products is called decomposition reaction. Example: word equation: potassium chlorate on heating with MnO2 gives potassium chloride plus oxygen. Chemical equation: KClO3 gives KCl plus O2. Balanced chemical equation: 2KClO3 gives 2KCl plus 3O2. Word equation: water gives hydrogen plus oxygen. Chemical equation: H2O gives H2 plus O2. Balanced chemical equation: 2H2O gives 2H2 plus O2. Displacement reaction: the reaction in which a radical is displaced by another radical is called displacement reaction. Single displacement, double displacement. Single displacement reaction: when only one radical in the reactant is replaced, the reaction is called single displacement reaction. Example: word equation: zinc plus hydrochloric acid gives zinc chloride plus hydrogen. Chemical equation: Zn plus HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. Balanced chemical equation: Zn plus 2 HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. Word equation: iron plus copper sulfate gives iron sulfate plus copper. Chemical equation: Fe plus CuSO4 gives FeSO4 plus Cu. Balanced chemical equation: Fe plus CuSO4 gives FeSO4 plus Cu. Double displacement reaction: when both the radicals of the compounds exchanges each other in the reactants is called double displacement reaction. Example: word equation: silver nitrate plus sodium chloride gives sodium nitrate plus silver chloride. chemical equation AgNO3 plus NaCl gives NaNO3 plus AgCl. Balanced chemical equation AgNO3 plus NaCl gives NaNO3 plus AgCl. Word equation mercury chloride plus potassium iodide gives potassium chloride plus mercuric iodide. Chemical equation HgCl2 plus Ki gives KCl plus Hgi2. Balanced chemical equation HgCl2 plus 2Ki gives 2KCl plus Hgi2. Acid-base reaction when acid and base react each other gives salt and water is called acid-base reaction. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. Example word equation hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide gives sodium chloride plus water. Chemical equation HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O. Balanced chemical equation HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O. Word equation sulfuric acid plus calcium hydroxide gives calcium sulfate plus water. Chemical equation H2SO4 plus CaOH2 gives CaSO4 plus H2O. Balanced chemical equation H2SO4 plus CaOH2 gives CaSO4 plus 2H2O. Acid-base reaction is called neutralization reaction because the acid and base neutralizes each other to form neutral substances like salt and water. Endothermic reaction. The chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed is called endothermic reaction. Example 2KClO3 plus heat gives 2KCl plus 3O2. Exothermic reaction. The chemical reaction in which heat is expelled out is called exothermic reaction. Example C plus O2 gives CO2 plus heat. Factors affecting the chemical reaction: temperature, pressure, surface area, light, catalyst. Temperature. The chemical reaction increases with the rise in temperature because the intermolecular space increases and the intermolecular force of attraction decreases. As a result, old bonds break and new bonds are formed. Pressure. Pressure increases the chemical reaction. Surface area. Surface area increases chemical reaction because rate of collision increases with increase in surface area. Light. Light increases the chemical reaction. Formation of ozone from oxygen molecule needs ultraviolet light. Catalyst. The chemical substance which changes the rate of chemical reaction without reacting itself is called catalyst. Positive catalyst. The catalyst which increases the rate of chemical reaction is called positive catalyst. It decreases the energy required to break the bond of reactants. Example: manganese dioxide. Negative catalyst. The catalyst which decreases the rate of chemical reaction is called negative catalyst. Example: glycerin.